right, so in this video, I'm about to check out this software called Invideo. Shouts out to my man Sydney Tarver for reminding me about this software. Let's dive right into it. I just want to take you through the whole process, and as always, if you like it, and if I like it, you can get it by clicking the link in this video. That's how you support the YouTube channel. Let's go ahead and sign up. I think we can sign up. Yep, we can sign up for free. This software is supposed to help us create videos really, really quickly. So give me a minute. I'm going to sign in with my credential. All right, so I signed up. It's asking me to, what defines my role. I'm just going to say business owner. Let's just say marketing professional. I hit continue. Name your team. I want to skip for now. How did you hear about InVideo? I think I came across it on an ad for the first time, and then Sydney Tarver reminded me about it today. What I want to do, make money, create and selling videos, produce content faster. That's exactly what I want to do. Which platform do you primarily use? I'm going to say YouTube videos, hit enter, and then amazing. So I'm already seeing a couple of things that I love already. As you know, I already use Pictory. Pictory gives me really good outputs as far as videos are concerned. But what I want to do is use the AI to text video. This is the feature that I'm most interested in. So I want to go here. And this kind of reminds me of Pictory already, just by the templates that they have. But I think the templates are a little bit more flexible, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm just going to find a template. Let me see. Maybe this one. Okay, I'm going to just use this template. And then now, oh, phenomenal. So now let me go here and I'm going to find a blog article off of my website here. Go to webassetgroup.com. Shouts out to Sydney Tarver right there. I'm going to click right here where it says online magazine. Our articles are going to come up. And then I'm going to take this article that one of my writers here created. Shouts out to Diana. I'm just going to take this article, go back up here, hit copy. Maybe that's not the one that I want to do. Let me go back. I want to choose one that I wrote. The one that I wrote is, I'm going to take this one right here that my son wrote, actually. Shouts out to Cade, one of my content creators at Web Asset Group. So I'm going to take that, go back, drop it in there just like that. I wonder how many words can we add to a video. And I'm going to take that there and then also drop that in there. Oh, it says I can also add a URL. Huh. Add your URL. Wow. I could have dropped my URL in there apparently. Then I'm going to hit create scenes. Hey, that's too much text for one scene. Oh, this is just for one scene? Do you want us to rearrange it for you? Yes. Rearrange it. I didn't know that was for one scene. All right, hit create scenes. Let's see what happens. And I'm going to let it run here because I want you to see how long it actually takes, because sometimes you'll see some of these review videos and they're like skipping around. You don't know that it takes like an hour for something to process. So I want to keep this going. You can fast forward if you want. I don't know to what timeline, but you can fast forward if you want. But I'm just going to talk until it's done. Oh, it's already generated 28 out of 36 scenes. Okay. I'm impressed by that. 28 out of 36 scenes already created. That's phenomenal. The reason why I'm looking at other software, although I love Pictory. Sometimes I want to get a little bit more creative with the videos, and Pictory is really good, but it's like an iPhone. Like, you can't customize it that much. You can't customize the videos that much. And with InVideo, I think you're able to customize move things around, if you will, in the video a whole lot more than you can with Pictory. So let's see what happens. It's creating thumbnails. Okay, creating thumbnails as well. If this works, if this is good. Now, what I love about Pictory, I will say, is that also what I love about Pictory is that I can record my video or record my audio on GarageBand and then import the audio, and it automatically syncs my audio with the script. I wonder if this has this feature. I haven't read any of the instructions on this software because most people don't read instructions, so I want to just like play with it out of the box. That's what she said. Now let's see what happens. Okay, here's my scenes right here. Okay, so it's got all my scenes. I love how it has all my scenes over here. I like that. Oh, look at this. Let's see what happens. I'm super curious. Let's see. Huh. Please wait for a few moments. Okay, so it's rendering. It's taking a while. I will say already it is taking a little bit longer to render than Pictory is than Pictory does. Pictory, you would have had a couple of videos already by now on Pictory. It's just a comparison. It's just something that I'm noticing. So let's see. Let's see what actually happens. It's still processing. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. That's the thing about it. Says it allows you to create videos faster. I'm still waiting on the faster part. That's the thing. With content creation, I want to be able to get things out super fast. Super fast. That's another reason why I love. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go over to Pictory right now, and I want to do something. I want to see. I want to compare it. Like, look at these images are still rendering. Are they creating them out of thin air? Because I could have swore that. All right, so I'm gonna drop this script inside of Pictory here. Go over and get my script. Take this, drop it in there, just like that. Okay. Also, I want to take this. I just want to see how long it takes on Pictory versus. Boom. And I've given the other one a head start. And then now I'm just gonna grab my title, copy, paste. Is it done yet? It's not done yet. Is it? Let me hit play. All right. And then I'm gonna hit proceed with Pictory. This is Pictory now. And as you can see here are the templates for Pictory. Boom. I want to select this template here. And that's Pictory. It's rendering. Now notice the other one has like at least a 5-minute head start. So this one has 5-minute head start and it's still loading. And my internet is fast. I need to be able to put out stuff really, really fast, like really fast. So I like to give unbiased. All right, Pictory is 81% done. Let's see. Show me what you got. Show me what you got. 100% complete. Look at that. 36 scenes, almost the same amount of scenes. Let me go back. How many scenes over here? 36. So 36 scenes. Look, it's almost done. Look, it's done. Pictory is already done. already done. Look, I can go through here, find my scenes. It's already done. This one, what's going on? It's still rendering. Still. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I want to love this. I want to love it. I want to love it. That's what she said. I really want to love this because I want more of a custom approach to my videos. Like, why is it taking so long? Like, if I hit play, if I try to preview one of these, like, I'm just gonna hit preview on this one. Let's see if Pictory is a lot. Pictory already has a preview that's about to start right now. Look at that. Pictory is already okay. Finally, there's a preview. Finally, okay. Finally, okay. So it's not faster than Pictory, but I want to give it a fair shot. Okay, so now, oh, in all due respect, I get it now though. I understand why it took so long because it's like it literally went and created multiple. It's just not Pictory is just like that's the video and then you got your text. That's the only thing you can really do to it. Versus um versus with this one, man, you can move stuff around and everything. Look at that. That's phenomenal. That wants me to upload. We'll look at the prices later. But I can move these images around. This would be my video. So let me hit play. Ooh. Ooh, okay. I'm liking it so far. I'm liking it. Let me turn my volume up. Okay, I understand now. All right. So what happens if I want to like swap out some media? Okay, so if I want to swap out this media, how do I do that? Swap out media. How do you swap out the media? Can I just like add another? Is there? Okay, right here. Okay. So now having a strong online presence, I want to say online. I'm just gonna type in online business. That's the thing. Pictory allows me to just go very, very, very fast. And I'm loving the customization, I'm loving the customization, but it's too custom. I need to be able to create stuff fast. I want to go fast, and I love all this custom stuff, especially like the creator side of me. Like I love this. I'm sure they have other templates I can choose from though. I love this custom stuff, but like I don't. I'm trying to save time. Let me see if I can find another template here that doesn't have all this custom stuff in it. What if I can use? What about this one? If I select the new template, does it? I do love that, and I can. Okay, all right. Logo. I can add a new logo there. I can add my company logo here. Let's just add. See if this overstock logo will add. Yeah, there's the logo right there. Okay. They do have chat. I don't know. I'll be honest with you. I'm 14 minutes in. I'm kind of exhausted a little bit. I know great things take time. They really do. And I might check this software out later on. But look, my Pictory one is already done. My Pictory one is already done. Of course, Pictory has its drawbacks too. It doesn't allow me to have like more custom edits. like I can't customize it as much. But if I wanted to do that, I can just simply go inside of Canva and like move stuff around. Right now, the workflow process for this is not fast enough for me. So right now, at this stage in my life, I'm going to pass. However, I do think it's a good software. I think it's a really good software. I think I would give Invideo, just by playing around with it for that little bit. I would give it I would give it an A. I would give it an A. I definitely would give it an A. The reason I would give it an A because it takes a lot to create all this stuff, moving around and all of that stuff. No, you know what? I'm gonna give it an A plus for the person that has the time to put into it. A plus. I'm also gonna give Pictory an A plus because it's really, really good at what it does as well. Um, but for right now, I'm gonna let you decide. You be the judge. I can put out more videos faster using Pictory. I could have been put out 10 videos by now. You know what I'm saying, with Pictory versus with this. So anyway, if you want to check it out yourself, link is in the bio. Also, if you want to check out Pictory, link is in the bio as well. And I highly suggest Pictory. Let me know what you think. Talk to y'all soon.